Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Thursday's Daily Financial Digest. And here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The Bitcoin dollar pair dove 10.1% in the last session. The CCI indicates an oversold market. The last session saw the euro fall 0.4% against the dollar. The ultimate oscillator's negative signal contradicts our overall technical analysis. The pound-dollar pair fell 0.5% in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a negative signal. The Aussie dropped 0.8% against the dollar in the last session. The ultimate oscillator's negative signal is in line with the overall technical analysis.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
Tesla Inc.'s growth in China slowed precipitously last month, adding to the company's headaches after an embarrassing protest at the Shanghai Auto Show and several headline-generating crashes. The UK inflation rate more than doubled in April, jumping to 1.5% from 0.7% in March, as a rise in energy and clothing costs drove prices higher. Another major U.S. bank is set to start trading in Bitcoin despite recent steep falls in the cryptocurrency. Wells Fargo said it would introduce managed funds for its wealthy clients.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
The U.S. continuing jobless claims will be released at 12:30 GMT. The U.S. initial jobless claims at 12:30 GMT. Australia's employment change at 1:30 GMT. Australia's unemployment rate will be released at 1:30 GMT. The UK's GfK consumer confidence at 23:01 GMT. The Dutch unemployment rate at 7:30 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Thursday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.